So if you want to go ahead and manage out your account in Notion, then you can go ahead and then easily do that by going around onto the top left hand side right here and by going into settings. Once you go ahead and do that, you can see that there's various accounts that you have right here, and you can see that you can change around the preferences. Let's say for example, so over here, if I were to go around onto the account itself, then you can see that I can change around my preferred name. I can also go ahead and add in a photo right here so that other teammates can actually recognize you easier. So let me just go ahead and select out my photo right here. So you can see that I just chose my photo and this is what you have. You can also go ahead and then change around the preferred name right here, just like this to YouTube. Let's say for example over here. So right now you can see that this is the email, but I can change the email as well and even change the password, and I can add in a two-step verification as well, or passcode, as you can see right here. So you can see that these are the devices that I am using to log in, but if I were to go around and log out of all of the devices, then all of the devices will be logged out of as well. So you can see that this is how you can go ahead and, let's say for example, even enable the support access if you want to right here. And then what happens is that is how you can work around with the account. If you want to delete out your account altogether, then you can click on delete my account as well. And this is the overall account settings that you can work with inside of Notion, and then change around your account details as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.